Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Haxenhunt. Today, the archery shop is actually closed, so we're not going to be able to compare a couple bows. However, we are going to have a little bit of fun with a few different things. So today's episode, we are going to do a Rage Trypan. It's a expandable two blade cutting 2-inch diameter broadhead versus a TV. And we're gonna put that at like a 45-degree angle, check the angle, see what kind of damage we can do to this TV. So if you guys wanna see what this Rage Trypan can do to a flat screen TV, then go ahead and stay tuned and we are gonna find out. We got my Hoyt RX1, and then right here is the Rage Trypan on a gold tip Hunter XT. It's one of my old arrows. Didn't want to shred up a new arrow, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot this one through the TV. Shooting at 80 pounds, 29.5-inch draw length, and I feel like there's gonna be a lot of damage that happens to this TV. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys down to the TV, show you where I'm gonna be aiming, and then we're gonna hurry and shoot it. We're losing light, so we're just gonna freaking blast this thing. All right, so this is the setup I have here. We've got the TV screen here, and it's actually on an angle. So it's coming at a good, probably 30-degree angle, and I have to hit right here in the middle. That way it just goes straight back there into the target. And then I'm gonna hope that this camera catches it in slow-mo, so that way we can see what this does. But I'm really excited. We're just gonna shoot right there in the middle of the screen. So here we go. Let's go shoot this thing. I've been wanting to do this forever. It was a great TV. It just got left in my garage during the summer. And so I think the heat here in St. George just basically made the screen break. So here we go, guys. Let's see, I'm gonna bring the angle of this camera here too, so that way you guys can see. Sorry about my nasty backyard for my dog. He always tears this place up. All right, here we go, guys. I've been literally wanting to do this for months. Rage Trypan, flat screen. Wait, hold on. Dude, I almost forgot to push record on that freaking other camera. Wait one sec. That would have sucked. All right, we're good now. That would have been terrible. And I forgot to freaking push record on that one. All right, take two. Draw back, and let's freaking blast this TV, guys. Hopefully I hit the target. Let's go check this thing out. That was so loud. Let's take this off the tripod. That had a hit. So we hit the target good, so that's good. Let's set the bow down real quick. That's a pretty big hole. I haven't seen the back yet, so I'm just gonna show you guys the front. Let's make this focus. Let's go manual focus. There we go. So there's the entrance to that, which then went right here into this target. Looks like it ripped a fletching off. If if you guys can see that. Big old crack. Big old crack. Let's check the damage. Oh, it was barely even sticking in there. There you go. All right, so damage would be that tip is completely curled. You can see there. These blades. That one's super bent. This one's a little bit bent. Not too bad. This one I think is, honestly, it'd probably fly again. The arrow, super just scratched. But then we ended up pulling that fletching off there. I don't even see the fletching. It's probably inside the TV. Well, guys, that made a pretty big hole right here. That's kind of fun. Should I shoot it again? Let's go ahead and inspect this arrow real quick, make sure it's still safe. And I'm just gonna shoot free blades because the collar's broken and I don't have another collar for it. These gold tips though are like freaking shooting steel poles. These suckers are so strong. I've never had an issue with these things cracking at all, ever. I think it's good. Let's shoot it again. So conclusion after the first shot is the blades are pretty bent. The tip is curled, lost a fletching, arrow's still good, no cracks, no fractures or anything. The insert stayed in, knock stayed in. So what we're gonna do with these blades here, so they sit out like that. So we are just gonna close them like that. Typically the collar holds them out before they expand, but we don't have another collar, so we're gonna go with a free shot. We're gonna go with a free shot and just see what kind of damage this one does. So let's lock these blades in the best I can. And hope all's safe, I guess. Got a blade right by my knuckle. Just gotta keep that down low. So, one problem, it did not fly true to what it typically flies. So it went up to hit the top of the TV, which then I think hit my bag target, so I'm sure it just sliced it. But let's go take a peek at this and see what this. So we didn't get full penetration. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. So that's good. So first off, first thing I notice right there is the knock is gone. I don't see it anywhere down here. Straight through the top of the TV. Let's see. Oh, dude, that blade broke, man. Look at this. Come on, focus. Look at that. Blade broke. That one's still intact but super bent. That tip is just dull as could be. Holy crap. Let's see if we can pull this out. The arrow's broken in half. The arrow snapped right in half. Well, this camera probably caught it, so let's go check it out. All right, so the aftermath after shooting the RX-1, 80 pounds, 29.5-inch draw length with the what used to be a Hunter XT gold tip arrow. Whoa, I'm a little white there, hold on. Let's darken that a little bit. There we go. All right, so this arrow is destroyed. So the knock's gone, I couldn't find the knock. Snapped it right in half. And like I was showing you guys out there, let's make it a little bit more visible in here. Blade is snapped right in half right here. This thing does not want to focus, man. It doesn't like me. Let's put it against my hat so it has to focus, right? I don't know. Something like that, right? But that blade is just shredded, man. Super dull. I mean, both blades, well, what's left on the blades, are not even sharp at all. However, I am impressed with the strength of like the centerpiece, like the shaft basically of the broadhead. Like that's still straight and true. The hardware on it, you know, like the screws and stuff, nothing happened there. It actually didn't even break out in the insert, which pretty surprising. I mean, that's a freaking super strong broadhead. I looked closer at the TV on where I hit, and there was like a solid metal plate on that second shot. It was probably an 1/8 of an inch aluminum or whatever. But for that to go through that and still look the way it looks, I'm actually fairly impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode. I do apologize I didn't have 2 more bows to compare. I mean, I could compare my bow to my wife's bow. She's got the Hoyt Helix? No, Hoyt, the one before that. It's right here in this case. Let's look. What bow does she have? Hyperforce, that's what it is. So if you guys want to see like me and my wife shoot her bows, she's a left-handed Hyperforce and I'm a right-handed RX-1. I don't know, comment below. Anyway guys, this is today's video. It is the Rage Trypan versus a TV. Hopefully I was able to have a little bit of fun with you guys and give you a little bit of entertainment today instead of information. That's all I have for you guys today. Anyway, we will have another video posted this coming Thursday, so stay tuned for Thursday. Hopefully the bow shop is open by then because I really want to get in and shoot some more bows against each other. But just want to say thanks guys so much for tuning in and showing the support that you guys show on my channel by commenting, by subscribing, by liking. Like I am always refreshing my YouTube app just to see how much love that you guys are freaking sending my way. So I really do appreciate that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check it out, see what you guys find, see if you guys like it, and follow me on Instagram at Haxenhunt. It's I post a little bit here and there, but nothing too crazy. So anyway guys, just want to say thank you guys and hope you guys have a good rest of your guys' day.